So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to search for your settings app. So when you find your settings app, just tap on it to open it. So after opening your settings app, what you have to do is to tap on apps and notifications. So search for apps and notifications, then you tap on it to open it. After that, tap on see your apps. After tapping on see your apps, what you have to do is to tap on the search apps at the top, then you type in Gmail to search for your Gmail. So when it appears like this, then you tap on it to open it. After tapping on it to open it, just tap on storage and cache, then you tap on clear cache. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction on other device. Make sure the background data is turned on like this. You have to make sure it is turned on. Go back and tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. After that, you have to go to Google Play Store to check for the latest update of this app. When you get to Google Play Store, try to search for Gmail, and after searching for Gmail, you are going to get these results. So as you can see, I've already searched Gmail over here, and this is the results that I got. So what you have to do is to tap on the Gmail, then when you tap on the Gmail, it's going to be like this. Then you make sure you check over here. When it shows that updates, then you tap on update. But when it shows open like mine, you have to leave it like that. And what you have to do is to tap on your power button to restart your device. So let's restart our device. So tap on restart. On other device, you're going to see reboot. It's the same thing. Then after that, you tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed after restarting or rebooting your device. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.